Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Stacy. I'm glad you're with me today. It is such a fun day. Look what came. Ba-da-da-da. My FabFitFun box. Look at that packaging. It is so springy and I am so ready for nice weather. So let's get into it. If you don't know what FabFitFun is, it is a quarterly box. So you get it 4 times a year. It is $49.99 if you pay up front, all up front. It is $178.99 and you get 8 full-size products and you get to customize 4 of them. So let's get into it. They always send you some coupons. So they sent me HelloFresh. They always send you a $15 off your first box for a friend and a vitamin one, which I've seen these all over social media. And what is that? Some spring stickers. How cute. And you get a magazine. It has recipes in it, some fun articles, and then it shows you what was in your box and what it's worth. There were so many good things to choose from because you get to customize between 3 and 4 of them. And it was really hard. I went back a few times to change my picks. So let's get into it. First up, I'm super excited about this. It is a little mesh bag for produce, going to the farmer's market, going to Trader Joe's. Trader Joe's is opening up by us very soon. So I am so excited. It's tie-dye. It's by a company called Camp Collection and it retails for $25. So that's crazy. I will definitely be using this all summer long. I love going to the farmer's market. Next up, we got, it's by Monroe. It is this beautiful watch. Can you see it? It has a gray leather band and with a rose gold face. Look how pretty that is. I wear my Apple Watch all the time. I don't leave home without it. But when I dress up, I thought this would be really fun. I do have a lot of watches because I used to work at Fossil in college. And this retails for $105. Hot dog. Next up. All right. I did pick those 2 things. And sometimes I forget what I pick because it does take a few months to get. Maybe like 6 weeks to 2 months. So I did not pick these. Sun's out, pout's out. But I'm pretty excited about them. It's a gold foil lip mask. You put it on your lips and you leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. And you take it off, obviously. And then you put the excess, you rub it in. So I'm going to do one of these tonight. So I'm excited about these. And my lips are super sensitive. So I will definitely give you some feedback on these. And it retails for $16. So I work in this industry, the cosmetic industry. I've never heard of this brand. And I've never tried a lip mask, so I'm excited. Next up, we have the Grown Alchemist body cream. I love me some body cream. This retails for $26. It says nourishes and hydrates your body with a blend of bioactive ingredients. See how it smells. Okay. Okay, so it smells like cleaning products, like Lemon Pledge maybe. So we'll give it a shot, but Lemon Pledge, that's the scent of this. Let's see how it goes in though. I use Pledge a lot around my house because we have a lot of wood stuff, but I like the orange one. Anywho, let's keep going. The Josie Marin Argan Oil, which I am super excited to try. I want to try her body cream so bad. I just haven't bought it yet. And it's just argan oil. Let's see what it says. Treat your skin and hair to a blend of essential fatty acids, vitamin E, and antioxidants. Ooh. So let's see. Okay. can you see? And then a little dropper, obviously. Okay. It smells like oil, but I love oils, so I'm excited about this one. Super excited about this. And it retails for $49, so 50 bucks. Next up, we are gonna do, what is this? It's a brightening something by Earth Harbor. It's called Marina. It's plant-based, no GMOs, vegan, cruelty-free, fair-trade, all the good things. So it's women-owned. So it has all the good things about it here. So obviously I can't see that because I don't wear glasses. I have them, but I don't wear them. But it says, apply 2 or more drops to skin after cleansing and toning. And it looks like a brightening serum, maybe? Let's see. It doesn't say it's a serum, but let's see. Oh, it's like liquid, like water. All right, well, let's see. It definitely is brightening. It smells like tea. Yeah, that's what it smells like. It smells like a tea bag. Like I'm putting a tea bag like on my hand. Okay, so this is where I put the oil. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see. And this is where I put the brightening stuff, and it's still like on there, like it's rubbed in, but it's like super bright. So this might be nice like to wear like in the summer when you're not really doing anything. I don't know. And how much is this guy? Let's see. $38. Oh, and it just says it has blue tansy to brighten and balance the skin. So we got lots of skincare. I love skincare. Next up, this beautiful ring by Joy Dravecki. I'm not saying it right. Whatever. It's this guy. And it retails for $75. Holy cow. Okay, let me get a little better shot. And it's adjustable. So here it is. It's like a green, I guess. Let me see if I can find the name of that stone. It's so pretty. Doesn't say, nope. It just says it's a hexagon ring that's adjustable. So it is adjustable. I have huge fingers. I wear like a size 9, which is pretty embarrassing, but I always have. I don't know why. It's just what God made, I guess. So this guy can fit on my pinky. So maybe I'll keep it. More than likely, I will give it to my niece, Bailey, who is in college. So next up, it's these. I don't know how to say that. So reusable beauty rounds. So I was actually looking to buy some of these on Amazon recently because I was watching a YouTuber about it. And I'm like, you know, I use like cotton balls every now and then, but I really should get some like ones that I can wash. So I am excited that I actually got these. And they retail for $15. It says, ditch your makeup wipes for these reusable cotton rounds. So let's see if it's worth it. Let's see. All right. These guys, remember we just talked about $15. This argan oil, $49. The box is $49. So we got this Grown Alchemist body cream, and that is $26. The scent did go away, and my hands feel a little hydrated, so I'll keep you up to date on this one. These are 16. This is 105. I'm super excited about this watch. It is a beautiful watch. And the ring is $75. Again, such a crazy deal. So is it worth it? Definitely. And then, so once you're part of like this community, they have like discussion boards and all this stuff. I don't really like get into it. However, I always look at their add-on sale, and I did buy a few things. I bought like this. It is just a lunch thing. I haven't even opened it yet, but it has 2 containers and it comes with like silverware. I've been trying to prep my lunch at work. I only lose a little bit of weight, so I always like prep my lunch. So I thought these were super cute. So, and these were like $7. So that's it. But anyways, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments below, what your favorite skincare is, and if you've ever tried FabFitFun. And don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.